Hey guys, this is Jess here at Summit RV in Ashland, Kentucky. Today we're going to take a look at the Coachmen Freedom Express that's right here behind me. This is a 292BHDS Liberty Edition. It is a bunkhouse with an outside kitchen. I think you're really going to love it.
Summit RV, camping made easy. Summit RV, vacation fun.
Okay guys, so the first thing that you're going to notice about this Freedom Express is the beautiful molded front cap. It has LED lighting and it is going to be insulated better than most front caps. So you're going to have a little bit more protection against the elements with that. It's also a safety feature, so if something would happen and you would put a ding or a scratch in there, there is quite a bit of space in there between that and the inside of your camper, so it's going to be built a little bit more sturdy than some of the other models you may look at in this class. This floor plan is a Liberty Edition, so we have already got this BAL stabilizer system on here. As you can see, you can level your whole camper from right here. Stabilizer jacks, your tongue jack, everything like that. All handy, so when you're pulling into the campground and you're setting up, it's a little bit easier. Hopefully will save you a few little fights with your family when you're pulling into the campground and setting up. Also, if you ever need it, your spare tire is located right here underneath your tongue, which is very nice, which allows you to put more things on the rear, like if you wanted a storage rack for bikes or firewood or anything like that. That leaves your bumper open for that. We have a huge pass-through storage here that is finished and enclosed, so it's going to keep all that heat out of your cabin of your bedroom. There is an outside table right there already installed, and you can set that up outside here under your patio awning. This is an electric patio awning with an LED light strip. We do have marine grade outside speakers that are controlled on the inside of your RV with your sound system. It is zoned A and B, so you can play movies or sync your phone. It's Bluetooth, AM, FM, DVD, and CD as well. And of course you can hook up with a USB or an auxiliary cord if you want to. This is solar ready. This is a plug and play solar port from Furrion, which is so nice. This RV is already upgraded to the solid steps. This makes all the difference when you're going in and out. This is firm, these don't bounce, they're not going to bind or rust, they're easy to put up and take back down. These are an excellent upgrade. There's our floor plan, and as you can see, these walls are composed with Asdale, so those are water and mold resistant, mildew, so those are going to last longer and hold up better. Right here on the side you've got a big storage drawer. You can fill with anything that you might need to take camping with you, tools or camping gear, etc. We have upgraded rims here. These are sport style rims with nitrogen filled tires. And here in the outside kitchen you're going to see a lot of amenities here. We have everything that you're going to see inside your camper. Honestly, you've got your backsplash, stainless steel brushed nickel faucet, mini fridge, silverware drawer. You got your Coachmen camp grill, storage, little spice rack right above your sink. So this is very, very nice when you're camping, because we all know that you're going to camp outside, or you're going to cook outside, I'm sorry. This makes it easier than ever to do that. Here is your bumper. Like I said, you can add a bike rack or a storage rack to this bumper because your spare tire is in another convenient location, so that opens up that space for you. We have a roof ladder already installed for your full walk-on roof to make it easy for you to inspect your seals. And this does have the Furrion plug and play backup camera prep. All you need is the monitor and the camera. On this side, you're going to see we've got pass-through storage. Well, it's not pass-through, but it goes the entire length of your camper over to the outside kitchen, which is very uncommon when you have a bunkhouse, so this is very nice. We have all of your hookups back here. We've got an outside shower, your city water connection, your TV satellite hookups, all of your drains. We do have 50 amp service on this RV, so you're not going to have any issues running your electricity. This RV has a dry weight of around 6,800 pounds, which is so nice because you can still tow this with a half-ton truck. So you don't need to upgrade your truck to have plenty of space for your family. Alright, so let's head inside and see what's going on in here. So in the living area, you're going to have a very large U-shaped dinette. It does have a movable table, so you can actually pull that out and use those back seats comfortably. These drawers do pull out, so you can easily store things under here. You don't have to crawl under there and dig around to get things out. We've got a pantry right here. Lots of storage for the kitchen, which is really nice. A lot of places don't have pantries, even homes. So that is a really nice upgrade. Now heading on into the living area, we have a really nice sofa here that's got cup holders already installed with storage overhead. And this RV has all LED lighting, which is really nice because it is cooler and uses less electricity than regular incandescent light bulbs. So that's going to be great for two reasons. Your battery is going to last longer when you're camping, and also you're not going to have as much issue with heat control inside your RV as you would otherwise. Here's your Furrion Bluetooth ready wireless sound system that works with your outside speakers or inside speakers and your television set as well. And this is a swivel TV, so this actually does flip around to the bedroom. So you can have one TV for your bedroom and living area. We have a nice fireplace right here. It'll just take the chill off when it's a little cold, so you don't have to use your LP. Here in the kitchen, you're going to notice that this has really, really nice solid surface seamless countertops with a sink cover to extend that countertop nice and deep. There's plenty of room behind the sink to put kitchen appliances, and there are outlets right here underneath, so easy to plug things in, and of course LED lighting under there as well. This RV does have designer carefree flooring, so it's going to hold up to the heat and cold, as well as scuffs and scratches, better than other types of flooring. Really nice backsplash behind the stove, and then you also have the glass flush surface stove cover that is going to extend that countertop space some more. And you can also flip it up here, and then this becomes also a shield if you're cooking, so that it can keep everything nice and clean. We've got a Furrion range hood and then a Furrion microwave as well. Nice digital microwave, something very similar to what you'd have in your house. This is a self-lighting oven, so you don't have to worry about sticking one of those long lighters back in there. This is a signature Freedom Express drawer, this divided drawer. Basically takes up some space that is usually wasted in other floor plans with this, the different divisions. It goes neatly around the plumbing under your sink, so it's a space saver and it's also convenient and useful as well. Nice 8 cubic foot refrigerator. Now we're going to head on into the bathroom. You can see we've got a nice bathtub with a shower surround, medicine cabinet, a vanity with a sink, same solid surface countertops. These are like a molded seamless, like a laminated, so it's a little bit different but looks the same as what's in the kitchen. Big nice skylight, shower. Height's not going to be an issue for this, but also if you have a puppy or a child you need to bathe, that's going to make it easy. We have a foot pedal flush toilet, so you don't have to worry about bending over trying to reach the handle. Easy and convenient. And then a towel rack as well. We're going to head right into the bedroom. This is the bunk room. You can sleep 3 people in here very comfortably. We have 3 full bunks. Huge closet here where they can store everything they need for these 3 bunk beds. There's an emergency exit right here, so you don't have to worry about your kids not being safe if something would happen. They have an easy exit out. And these windows all have blackout blinds. Here's your USB charging ports for your bunk room. Alright, so lastly, let's check out the master. This has dual entry on either side, residential queen size bed with a comforter. We have a beautiful headboard here, distressed, farmhouse look. So open and bright. And then of course you can see we can flip that TV around, and then you're going to have a TV right here at the foot of your bed. You also have reading lights above your bed, and you also have storage underneath your bed as well. Alright guys, so I think that about covers it for this Coachmen Freedom Express. This is the 292BHDSLE, the Liberty Edition package. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Again, this is a bunkhouse with an outside kitchen. It has 3 bunks. It also has many upgrades and amenities that are specific to this floor plan and this brand. We love this here at Summit RV, so if you want to see it in person, we would love to show it to you. Just give us a call at 606-928-6795 if you have any questions. We're open Monday through Saturday year-round. Right now during the evenings, Monday through Friday, we're open until 6 p.m. and on Saturdays, we're always open until 5. We are locally owned and operated by the same local family since 1976. We are so proud of that, and we are very proud of our local community that we get to be a part of here. So we would love to have you. We'd love to help you, welcome you to the Summit RV family. Like I said, if you need us at all, just reach out. You can send us an email, or you can hop on our website and hit live chat, and we will be right with you.
RV camping made easy. Summit RV vacation fun. Summit RV.